say something?
Just do a vlog.
Yes. Well, andito naman kami sa likod ng bahay kasi gusto nga maglakad ni Blue. It's around 10:20 na. So it's hot. Tignan nyo naman, mainit na siya. Ayan. It's too hot now.
It's okay.
Okay. So, may mga nagbibisikleta pa. Ayan.
Let's go to the same side.
Then we'll go back, okay?
What?
Why it's hot, right?
Why are we going back?
I need to buy water.
It's not hot for me.
Okay, it's fine.
It's not hot.
So dito kami sa likod ngayon ng bahay. It's not hot for you?
Yes.
Okay. It's good walking under the sun, right?
Yes.
Give you a little bit of...
Sand, it's dirt.
Where?
And not sand, it's dirt.
So isang ikot lang kami. So dito na kami papasok. Papunta na naman sa bahay. Kasi mainit na nga, mahapdi na yung sikat ng araw. So let's go. Boy. Are you good? In walking? So, bibili pa kasi ako ng tubig. Ayan. Ito yung kapitbahay namin sa likod ng bahay.